Welcome to the course of AI-driven approaches for effective technical drawing parts strategies. What is the course really about? It's about organizing efficient and effective strategies for optimizing the portfolio with improved costs. In this course, you'll get an introduction to AI tools and their impact on category strategies first. Second, you get to know the challenges when selecting the appropriate AI solutions for your procurement. Third, you will learn about today's situation and strategies for improving purchasing prices. Then, you become aware of applicable AI solutions for technical drawing parts. And finally, you'll master the implementation of AI solutions in reality. My name is Michael. I've had over 20 years of professional experience in procurement, with most of the time in leadership tasks in category management. Today, I work as a consultant and trainer, focusing on building resilient procurement organizations and particularly in medium-sized companies. To establish a stable purchasing organization, it's necessary to push sustainability and AI solutions. My approach is to work face-to-face inside the company and also with external partners to create win-win solutions for long-term savings. And this is exactly my topic in consultancy. In this course, my focus is primarily on AI solutions for technical drawing parts. Your question now probably is, why is this topic really so important? Well, procurement is in a state of change at present. Markets are more dynamic, tasks are more complex. Additionally, there are new regulations based on sustainability. Nevertheless, requirements are still given for stable processes and competitive prices. That causes challenges, as you probably know, in strategic procurement, because upcoming demand is not foreseeable, and the result is that the supply chain is difficult to manage. On top of these, there is a lack of transparency of purchasing data and spending. To work manually to create this data is very time-consuming and leads to mistake, especially in the case of market fluctuation. That means it's important to deal with the complexity and uncertainty efficiently and effectively. Gaining stable supply chain, having up-to-date information from the market, and ideally to be able to analyze purchasing potential automatically. How can we manage all this? Exactly that will be the main part of this course. Let's get started with Unit 1, the introduction to AI tools and their impact on category strategies.